50 Questions PMs Ask About Agile. Part 1. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, where the only thing we can count on is change itself, the traditional ways of managing projects sometimes hit a roadblock. As experienced project managers and PMPs, we've fine-tuned our abilities in a structured project management world, carefully planning out every aspect, keeping a tight rein on scope, schedules, and budgets. We've become experts at orchestrating projects with the precision of a well-rehearsed ballet, where every move is planned and executed with exactitude. Yet, here we are, at a pivotal moment, facing the winds of change brought by Agile. This shift towards Agile isn't a sudden flash in the pan. It's been a slow burn, revolutionizing industries and reshaping our understanding of project management over years. Agile stands out by promoting flexibility, close work with customers, and the rapid delivery of value. It has moved from the sidelines to the forefront, influencing a wide range of fields, not just software development. For many of us, who've spent years mastering the predictability of traditional methods, the shift to Agile feels like stepping into unknown waters. We may have come across terms like Scrum, Product Owner, Sprint, and Daily Stand-Up, but integrating these new concepts with our established practices can seem daunting. This book, 50 Questions Project Managers Ask About Agile, aims to be your navigational tool through these uncharted waters. It's designed to link the predictable world we know so well with the dynamic, ever-changing Agile environment. Your questions are more than just queries, they're the stepping stones to mastering Agile. We've crafted this guide to dive into Agile, to clarify its complexities, and to provide answers to the questions that might have been keeping you awake at night. Here, we'll explore Agile together, understand it, and learn how to move within it. Within these pages, each question opens a door to greater understanding, shining a light on the path to becoming proficient in Agile. We cover crucial areas like team dynamics, engaging stakeholders, managing risks, and ensuring quality, all through an Agile lens. These aren't just theoretical discussions, they're insights drawn from the front lines of real Agile projects. Whether you are a project management professional, PMP, eager to broaden your skills, a project manager looking to adapt to the evolving landscape, or simply curious about starting your Agile adventure, this book is crafted with you in mind. Our mission is to simplify Agile for you, providing the insights and knowledge needed to confidently navigate this new terrain. Together, we'll uncover the principles, practices, and subtleties of Agile project management. By the end, you won't just have the answers to these 50 questions, you'll be equipped to lead Agile projects with assurance. So, join us on this journey, where Agile transforms from a buzzword to a catalyst for change, and your questions lead the way. Welcome to 50 Questions Project Managers Ask About Agile. Part 2, 50 Questions. 1. Who hires the product owner or Scrum Master? The product owner and Scrum Master are typically chosen by the development team or the organization. The decision may involve considering the individual's expertise, understanding of the product, and their ability to fulfill the respective roles effectively. 2. Whose budget is it from? The budget for Agile projects usually comes from the same source as other projects within the organization. It may be allocated by the management or stakeholders overseeing the broader organizational budget. 3. Who makes you the product owner in a company? The product owner is usually someone with a deep understanding of the product, market, and customer needs. They may be appointed based on their expertise, experience, and ability to make informed decisions that align with organizational goals. 4. What is the role of the project manager in Scrum? Scrum does not have a traditional project manager role. Instead, the Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process, ensuring that the team follows Agile principles and helping to remove any impediments that may hinder progress. 5. How does the team organize? Agile teams are self-organizing, meaning they decide their own structure and practices. This autonomy empowers team members to organize themselves in a way that optimally utilizes their skills and expertise. 6. Who hires the team? The team is often self-assembled, with members choosing to work together based on their skills and experience. This self-selection fosters a collaborative environment and allows for a diverse set of skills within the team. 7. What happens if a team member leaves? If a team member leaves, Agile teams adapt by redistributing workloads among existing members or by recruiting replacements. The focus is on maintaining productivity and continuity. 8. How do you track progress? Progress is tracked in Agile in different ways across teams. Mature teams may individually track progress while other teams could do so using tools like burn-down charts, product backlogs, and sprint reviews. These tools provide visibility into the team's work and help in assessing whether they are on track to meet their goals. 9. How do you handle changes? Agile is flexible to changes, which are incorporated into the product backlog. The team embraces change and adapts their plans to accommodate new requirements or priorities. Bear in mind that changes in the middle of a sprint may or may not be granted, depending on the product owner's perspective and the unique situation. 10. How do you measure success? Working product is the primary measure of progress. Desired outcomes, benefits and value are success signals. Success in Agile is measured by the team's ability to deliver functional products regularly and meet customer needs. Continuous delivery of valuable products is a key indicator of success. 11. What happens if a sprint fails? If a sprint fails, it is seen as a learning opportunity. The team analyzes the reasons for failure during retrospectives and identifies improvements to implement in the next sprint. Before the retrospectives, progress could be analyzed through the burn charts, asking questions and attempting to course correct. 12. How do you deal with dependencies? Dependencies are managed in Agile by breaking down tasks, decoupling artificial dependencies where possible, using pair programming, heightened communication or collaborating with other teams. Communication and coordination are essential to address interdependencies effectively. 13. How do you ensure quality? Quality is ensured in Agile through continuous integration and delivery practices. Quality starts off by building the right product or features. Regular testing and feedback loops contribute to the development of high-quality software. 14. How do you document things? Agile focuses on lightweight documentation using the bare minimum to keep things effective but lean. Teams could use tools like wikis. Documentation is valued, but the emphasis is on delivering working software over extensive documentation. 15. How do you handle stakeholders? Stakeholders are involved continuously in Agile. The product owner working with the team manages stakeholder expectations, gathers feedback, and ensures that the development aligns with the overall vision and goals. 16. How do you scale Agile? Agile can be scaled for larger projects and teams using practices like a Scrum of Scrums or frameworks like Nexus, less or customized solutions. These frameworks provide guidance on coordinating Agile practices across multiple teams. 17. What are the biggest challenges of Agile? Challenges of Agile include changing mindsets, managing expectations, and handling dependencies. Adapting to an Agile mindset and overcoming traditional project management obstacles can be significant challenges. 18. What are the benefits of Agile? Benefits of Agile include flexibility, faster market delivery of value, improved morale among team members, and the production of higher quality products. Agile's iterative approach allows for continuous improvement. 19. Is Agile right for every project? Agile is not universally suitable for every project. Some projects may benefit more from traditional project management methods, and the suitability of Agile depends on the project's nature and requirements. 20. How do I transition from a predictive environment to Agile? Transitioning from predictive approaches to Agile involves adopting Agile frameworks and shifting organizational mindsets. It requires a cultural shift towards collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. 21. Who schedules the Scrum events? The scheduling of Scrum events is facilitated by the Scrum Master. They work with the team to plan and organize events such as sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. As a team matures, this role could be played by other team members. 22. Who creates the WBS in Agile? In Agile, the concept of a work breakdown structure, WBS, is replaced by the product backlog, which is maintained by the product owner. The product backlog contains prioritized features and tasks. The hierarchy of product backlog items could be epics feature stories, and on the story level further classifications could include defects, technical debt, and spikes. 23. Who does the RFP or procurement in Agile? RFP, request for proposal, or procurement activities in Agile can be handled by the procurement department, team members with relevant experience, or the product owner, depending on the organizational structure and processes in place. 24. Who is the Scrum team in a non-IT environment? In a non-IT environment, the Scrum team consists of a product owner, Scrum Master, and team members relevant to the specific field or industry. The roles may be adapted to suit the project's needs. These could include technical writers, pharmacists, engineers, doctors, lawyers, culinary experts, and other roles. 25. Who manages risk in Agile or Scrum, and how? Risks in Agile or Scrum are managed collectively by the team. Risks are continuously identified, assessed, and mitigated through proactive measures taken by the entire team. 26. Where does the product backlog come from? The product backlog is created by the product owner working with the customer, team, and stakeholders. It is based on the product vision, input from stakeholders, market trends, and other relevant factors influencing the development of the product. 27. When does backlog refinement happen? Backlog refinement is an ongoing process in Agile, often focused during specific scheduled sessions held in the middle of the iteration. The team reviews and refines the backlog regularly to ensure that it reflects the most current priorities and requirements. 28. Performance in an Agile team is measured in terms of delivery, collaboration, and achieving sprint goals. Metrics such as velocity, cycle time, and lead time may be used to assess the team's effectiveness. 32. How are customer requirements gathered in Agile? Customer requirements are gathered continuously in Agile through interaction with the customer or product owner. Yes, Agile principles can be applied to various types of projects beyond IT. The adaptive and collaborative nature of Agile makes it applicable in fields such as marketing, construction, and product development. 37. How are scope changes handled in Agile? As you step out of this book and into the world of Agile, may you find the confidence to navigate its challenges and the wisdom to harness its potential. Agile is not just a methodology, it's a mindset that can transform not only your projects but also your perspective on project management itself. Thank you for joining us on this expedition through 50 questions project managers ask about Agile. May your Agile journey be filled with innovation, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of delivering value to your customers and stakeholders.